Sa fel Gaelacha tá fíor gúil riamh Pete McGrath, agus is í sprág is a bhúnlaigh gach cinne a dhéonn le líng a héil.
It maybe becomes that thread that runs through your life that holds so many other things together.
You cut him open, he's red and black, I mean, he's a down man to the absolute core.
Ach bhór contúirt bhain le bheith pléile sin Spórt a bounce leis le líng na driblóidí.
Sometimes soldiers maybe got you out and examined bags and that type of thing.
A djinne gal ar scoil agus stail goíochra sig fáil wash maiall ar na rudí a chreid siad ontú.
There was a time when there was threats put out that they were going to shoot Gaelic footballers.
Ach na nóchadí bhí láimh Pete sa chúige ar fad a aon tú taobh hir dá éireann.
Bhris an Dúin an bac seo agus bhí stair nua scríofa, bhí an dóianta inheanta.
Maybe those things resonated in a positive way to make even a marginal difference in getting something over the line that was infinitely more important than football.